Hello, today we're going to look at position of the digits, and we have this question here, 300 plus 50 plus 1, and we're going to use our place value grid here. So we have thousands, hundreds, tens, units, our decimal point, 1/10, 100th and 1000. And we're going to use this question here. So when we're adding them together, we need to look at our first numbers. We have 300s, and it's important to place our numbers in the correct position. So we have 300s, which is here, followed by 2 zeros that we place in the tens and the units column. We then have 50, so that's 5 tens and 0 units. And we place them directly underneath so they are all aligned. And our final number is 1, so that is alone just 1 unit. When we've finished with our numbers, what we're going to do is add all of the numbers in each of the columns, starting on the right hand side, working towards the left. So we have nothing on the right hand side all the way up to the decimal point. So now we're going to look in our units column, and remember to add them all together. So 0, 0 add 1 is 1, 0, 5 is 5, and 3 alone is 351. Now what we can do to help us out a little bit are to use placeholders. Placeholders can go at the beginning of a number or at the end, and they must be a 0. So here you can see that we have 3 digits, 2 digits and 1 digit. To make it easier for ourselves, to make sure everything is aligned, we can place our placeholders like this. But it's important to remember that they are zeros and they must go at the beginning or at the end of our numbers. Next question, we have 34.12. So on the right hand side I've broken it down, so we have 30 plus 4 plus 0.1 plus 0.02. And again I'm going to use our place value table to work out and to show you the answer. So here we have 30, 3 tens and 0 units. We have 4 units. Now this is really important when we're looking at our decimal, so 0.1. Our decimal point stays in the same place and it is aligned every time. So I'm going to have 0 units followed by my decimal, and then I have the 1, which is 1/10, which goes over this side. And then I have 0.02, again I have 0 units, my decimal point, 0 and 2, which is placed under 100ths. And again, to make it nice and easy for myself and to make sure everything's aligned, I'm going to use the placeholders, which are zeros that can go at the beginning or at the end of numbers like this. And it's really important to make sure that I have my decimal points in there as well. Okay? And again, to add everything together, starting on the right hand side, 0, 0, 0, 2, add them together is 2, 0, 0, 1, 0 is 1, remember the decimal point, 0, 4, 0, 0 is 4, and 3, 0, 0, 0 is 3. And that is how we position of the digits.